The tank below shows the relationship between the amount of gas in gallons remaining in the gas tank of Zoe's car and the distance in miles she drives the car. All right, so this makes sense. The more Zoe drives, so we have 120, 150, 180, 200, 21 with the zero at the end, and then the amount of gallons go down by 1. So looking at this, and I'm not even looking at the options as I just barely glared at it and I saw some options, it looks like all of these numbers go up by 30. Right? And it looks like all of these numbers go down by 1. So according to this table, it seems like every time Zoe drives 30 miles, she loses a gallon of gas. I don't know. So based on the relationship shown in the table, which statement about Zoe's car is true? As the distance Zoe travels in the car increases by 30 miles, yeah. The amount of gas remaining increases by a gallon? Oh, wouldn't that be nice? That would save me so much money. But no, that's not true. As the distance Zoe travels in a car increases by 30 miles, yes. The amount of gas remaining decreases by a gallon, yes. So why are these wrong? As the amount of gas remaining increases by 30 gallons, the distance, wait a minute, no, So gas is gonna go up in your car 30 gallons? That doesn't even make sense. And as the amount of gas remaining increases by, no, stop it. Stop it. So the only one that makes sense is B.